Y'all, it's your girl Veniciah, LaShon, and today we're back with another video. Of course, today is going to be a hair review, since you know you guys see me with this herring for the past few videos, and I just decided, hey, let's give the girls some details about this hair to let y'all know if it's good, bad, how long shipping took, everything like that. So make sure you stay tuned for the video. But first, make sure you like, comment, and of course subscribe and put on those post notifications, because why not? And also make sure you follow all my social media. They will be linked down below, so make sure you go follow those. Now let's get on to the video. Before we get started, I do want to say that this video is not sponsored by this company at all. They did not send me no hair. They did not pay me to say anything about their hair. This is my honest review, because you know you gotta help the girls out, you feel me? So now let's get on to the video. All right, y'all, so let's get started with the details. This hair is from Sogoodhair. I got the closure and 3-bundle little package. So my closure is 18 inches and the 3-bundle inches I chose is 20, 22, and 24. You feel me? For me to get my first sewing, this is actually good hair to me. If you're you expert when it comes to the wigs and the installs and everything like that, you can probably say different. But for me, I actually do like this hair because you don't really have to do too much to it besides style it. So that's what I like about it. I got it in straight also, but it's a little bumpy and curly in a few places because I did have it tied back. But this for me is good hair because this is my first time getting sewing ever. So I personally like this hair. I will recommend to get it, but before we do that, we got to get to shipping, because you can't have good hair without good shipping. So we got to get to the shipping. For me, the shipping actually came in like a decent time. It came through UPS, if I'm not mistaken, and I ordered this in May. I didn't get my install until like the end of June. Yeah, the end of June. So I ordered this hair on May 21st of this year, and it got delivered to me May 26th, which for me, I like that because you feel me, you got to be good with your shipping. If you take 2 weeks, 3 weeks to ship out some hair and your hair not good, it don't work. Like, you gotta have good shipping, just period, out the line. Nobody wants to wait 3 weeks, almost a month to get some hair, like, especially if you got things to do. So this company definitely shipped it in a good amount of time, especially that I ordered it early because I had to get it for my birthday, because that's why I wanted a sewing for my birthday. So it definitely did come in time. So that's all I gotta say about the shipping. Now let's get into the pros and the cons. We're gonna be starting with the pros first. So I can definitely say I got this hair around like June 21st, somewhere around there, and it is August 15th. So that means I had this hair for longer than a month, and it still, still looks good. You feel me? When you do your hair, it still looks good, still looks new, everything like that. It don't look old and crunchy. Like, it don't look like that at all. It does stay shiny, it does keep, it's glisten, you feel me? It definitely does. I know somebody asked me, while I was doing my hair, did you add something to your hair? This is all them. I didn't do that at all. I didn't do that. I didn't do that at all. This is all them. I am just coming to come style it, you feel me? So, and I can also say that it doesn't get all matted up. You know how it gets matted up and all tangled and like that. It don't get like that. The only time I do really brush my hair. It's just to keep it looking flat, you know, freshened up, you know, if that's what you would say about it. I just do that to, you know, keep it looking sleek and, you know, looking nice, everything like that. So that is what I do, and those are my pros. Now let's get into the cons. Okay, so now let's get into the cons. This particular con is kind of on me because I didn't have the proper utensils, I guess that's the word to use, to make it look fuller. But I know in like a few videos back when like I was flat ironing my hair and I used a comb. Mind you, this is my first time doing sewing, so don't laugh at me. Do not laugh at me. Please don't laugh at me. I used a comb to, you know, shave my hair because I've seen people do it, but it wasn't like those thin rat tooth combs. Actually, let me go get it. All right, y'all, so I can't find the comb, but I will put what the comb look like right here. Like it look like one of them type of combs. So it's like when I would do my hair, the ends will look more put together than, you know, full. So it made it look like it was thin at the ends, which it wasn't. It was just the way that I was doing my hair because I didn't have the proper tools. So I put that on me because I didn't have the proper, you know, things to make my hair look fuller at that time. But I do now. So the girls is out here slaying, period. But now let's get on to my other con. Now my other con is since I have had this hair in a little longer than I guess needed. Well, I guess you could leave it in however long you want to with sew-ins, I guess. But my hair is starting to shed a little bit. You know, when it comes to like brushing it out and getting the tangles out, it is starting to shed a little bit. It's not like, you know, you pulling out gulps of hair. It's not like that at all. But I can say, you know, you do get little pieces of there, here and there, but it's mostly in the brush. It's not when you finger through your hair. It's not when you finger through your hair. It's mostly when you do it with the brush. So I can say that it does shed a little bit, not a lot though. All right, y'all, so my last and final con, this is personally a me thing. This ain't really got nothing to do with my hair, but the flyaways. At the top, it's like at the top, you know, when the wind be like all up in your face, like it just irritates me because it's like then it makes my hair look all over the place. And I know that's what hair does when it hits the wind anyway, so that's why I say it's like more of a me thing. Definitely when I get into doing installs more, you know, getting to do hair more, I definitely find ways to fix it. I don't have a hot comb to lay the top of my hair. So if you've seen the last video, how I did the top of my hair, don't laugh at me. But that is my last con and my last review about this hair. So that means it's the end of this video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and of course subscribe. If you want me to do more hair companies, make sure you either DM me these companies so I can try them out, or comment them down below and I'll definitely look into doing them. Because, you know, you gotta get the girls, you know, you gotta help the girls, you feel me? You can't, you gotta give some, you gotta help, you feel me? So make sure you do that. If you want me to try your hair, go ahead and send it to me, you feel me? I'll definitely look into it. Make sure you follow all my social media. They will be linked down below, so make sure you go follow those. Now I'll see you in the next video. Bye.